Have you found a resource you'd like to view, but Midwestern doesn't have access to it? The answer is Interlibrary Loan, or ILL. My name is Jennifer Bear, and I manage all ILLs at Midwestern's Glendale campus. Let me walk you through the steps of how to request and manage your ILLs. The first thing you need to do is create an ILLiad account. From the library's webpage, click on the ILLiad link under Popular Resources. Once on the ILLiad page, select First Time Users, and then go ahead and fill out the registration. Otherwise, if you already had an account, you could just log in. I've gone ahead and opened up my account. This is the main page that you will see when you log in, and on the left side of the screen you can see different actions that can be taken, such as creating a new request for an article, book chapter, thesis, or dissertation. You can view outstanding requests, whether it's books you've checked out or articles that you've received electronically, and you can also see what requests you have done in your history. And then the third action that you can take is changing or updating your user information or password. For this tutorial, we're going to do a request for an article. So go ahead and click on the article link. That'll take you to the request page. Any required information has a star next to it. Now, I have an idea of an article I want to look up, so we're going to go ahead and fill that out. The title of the journal is Library High Tech. Volume number 37, issue number 4, year was 2019, pages are 883 to 893. I don't know the ISSN. Let's see, article author is Wojcik. And the article title. Now, one thing that you have to make sure you do is put a date that you don't want it after. I usually suggest doing at least a week out. That gives them time to fill the request, but then they're also likely to kind of rush the order also. So we'll go ahead and set this. We'll do a couple weeks. We'll say April 17th. I don't want it anything other than English. So once we have this all filled out, you can go ahead and hit Submit Request. And now the article shows up in your outstanding request, which is on the main menu, and also you can click on it under the View section. As you can see here with this request, it has a transaction number. For any request, you can click on the transaction number to see more detail about the transaction or about the request. It'll show the information that you filled out and then the current status. So this one is awaiting copyright clearance. The actions that you can take once you've submitted a request, you can edit it or you can cancel it. You can also clone it, but that would maybe be done more for a request that you have had previously filled and you need it again. Once an ILLiad request has been fulfilled, if it's an article, it will show up under electronically received articles. This is one that I have currently placed. All you need to do is click on View and it'll take you to a PDF of the document. PDFs are available in your ILLiad account for 30 days. Once the 30 days are up, then the PDF will be deleted from your account. So if you need it for longer than that, then you need to make sure that you can print it out. If your request was for a book chapter, it would also show up under electronically received articles. However, if you requested a book, you would need to look under checked out items. Now, I don't currently have any checked out. As soon as the lending library checks the book out to you, it would show up here, but it still may take a few days before it gets mailed to your library, and then as soon as we receive it, we would email you and let you know that the book is ready for you to come pick up. Lastly, I wanted to show you that you can check out your request history if you just click on that link. As I mentioned before, all of the books and articles have a transaction number, which you can click on to see more detail. And if you want to re-request an item, you can hit Clone Request. Hope this helps, and if you have any ILLiad questions, feel free to email us at azill@midwestern.edu.